Oop. Not good. Hello, I'm Kotaro Ski. I'm confused to say my name, which is good, Kotaro or Kotarovsky. Okay, today I would like to have kind of a class because we have a lot of words in judo, like Japanese words, which we don't understand. So I don't like these waves on the display, but it's difficult to manage this time. Okay, so I would like to explain one word which is we use in practice, judo practice, Mokusou or Meisou. Before practice and after practice, some judo clubs are doing Mokusou or Meisou and they're closing eyes. And I will explain about these things in English. So let's go! Okay, so this is the board I will explain about today. Okay, so let's name this kind of class or introduction, class or instruction as Kotarovsky School. Yeah. And this is the board. I will explain. So what is like teacher? Actually, I have a teacher license for English and Japanese. No, not Japanese. PE, physical education. So I could be a teacher in Japan. So I already finished my teacher trainings to be a teacher in Japan. So I know somehow to teach something, but not in English. I have English license. So Mokusou or Meisou, and do you see this? Okay, good. Mokusou or Meisou. Everybody uses, maybe not many clubs in Poland, I don't know. When I go to Polish judo club, they are a little bit nervous, coaches too, and they will make standing and bow from the beginning and the end of practice. But when I visit them, they will be nervous and they will do they will do very politely because I'm there, and if I'll be there, and if they didn't make any seiza and mokusou and rei, it's very, maybe they are thinking it's very rude, but if you have your style, it's okay. And Mokusou and Meisou they will make sometimes, and Mokusou, let's think what is each meanings of them. And Mokusou, it's to make silent and to think about something deeply. And Meisou, to close eyes and to think about something deeply. Just this difference. So the difference you will see when I write in Japanese or Chinese letters, it's called kanji. And when I wrote these Mokusou and Meisou, it's gonna be like this looking. This is Mokusou. This is Meisou. So what's the difference when you see them? The difference between them is just the first letters. This and this, right? Then the other another letters are same because it just means the same, to think about something deeply. To think about something deeply. In these two explanations, the same kanji letters and same explanation sentence. I deleted. Erased. Are in there. So let's think about the first kanji, moku, Mokusou's moku, and Meisou's mei. So moku, what it means? let's see. To make silent. To make silent. So it doesn't matter if you are closing your eyes or doing seiza, or if you are standing, it doesn't matter. Just to be silent. Just to make silence. This is Mokusou. But most of Japanese teams are using Mokusou, doing seiza. Doing seiza, and you don't see me. And Mokusou, and they are doing something like this. In Tokai University, it's very popular to get relaxed, like a natural position, on your knees, like this. So, but in my school, high school's time, I was just sitting on knee, and I was putting these hands on just on knees. So these are interesting, right? And okay, the second word, Meisou, to close eyes. You will see this definition is different. Make silent. This was Mokusou's meaning. Moku's meaning, but it not totally Mokusou meanings. And Meisou means to close eyes and to think about something deeply. So to close eyes, just to close eyes and think about something. And it doesn't say to make silent. So actually, literally, you can just close eyes in Meisou. If you're gonna make Meisou, if you're closing eyes, you can talk about like what's gonna be today's dinner or something, and you can speak out, but nobody does it. Nobody does it because it's annoying and it's rude to other persons who making focusing. So the most of people are making Meisou in silence. So Meisou is to close eyes on knee, maybe in practice, close eyes and think about something. Okay, so next one is what is so? Because in these words, the common thing is so. Mokusou, Meisou, Mokusou, Meisou. So what it means so? What is so? This is so. You saw this in before. The same letters are used. And what it means, how this kanji letter is composed. How this kanji letter is made. This is one kanji, and this is also one kanji, and there are these two letters are composing this one letter. So let's make more analyzation. Okay, so how this one word is composed. Okay, let's see down. Boom. You see this? The left part of this word, this one word, one letter, is, as you see, this is how it looks like. I didn't hide it. It looks like tree, just a tree. And most of kanji letters are exported from China in very, very long time before. And some of them we made original kanjis, and some of kanjis are looking different, but most of them are meaning almost same. So when I go to China, I can understand some letters, but when I speak something, it's very different. The different pronunciations for one letter, one kanji letters, so it's difficult. But when I went for China to coach in Nanjing and Qingdao with my university professors. I was an assistant of this Tokai University's professor, and I was there to coach some classes. And it was interesting. I found interesting thing that I was coaching in Japanese, I mean kanji letters, Japanese kanji letters, and I knew, I found out that Chinese language's grammar is same to English, and I liked English, so I just combined these Japanese kanji letters and English grammar. And if you put these Japanese kanji letters in English grammars, they can understand. That's very funny, and that was very like super experience. And I was holding a whiteboard like this, but more small one, and I was trying to explain techniques, such things. That was, oh, now I remember, it was very nice experience. Okay, so it means tree, which is made in China. This kanji, exactly these black lines are the original letters from China of tree. But now it looks like this left side. It means tree. So in Japanese too, maybe in blue, tun. Oh, sorry, it looks bad, but it means tree. Now it's very simplified. Now it looks very simple. It looks very simple, but it means tree. Same.